Angola, a land of contrasts and surprises. Even the name sounds exotic, doesn't it? It conjures images of untouched beauty and hidden treasures. This vast country on the west coast of southern Africa is often overlooked by travelers, yet it holds secrets that are waiting to be discovered. But for those who venture here, Angola offers a treasure chest of natural wonders. It's a place where nature's grandeur is on full display. Imagine pristine beaches that stretch for miles, thundering waterfalls that take your breath away, and landscapes that seem to defy belief. That's Angola. Angola's beauty is raw, powerful, and utterly captivating. It's a place where the natural world feels both untamed and inviting. From the moment you arrive, you'll be mesmerized by its diversity. Each region offers something unique, something that will leave an indelible mark on your soul. Towering mountains give way to sweeping plains. The contrast is striking, and it's a reminder of nature's incredible artistry. Arid deserts transform into lush rainforests. This dramatic shift in scenery is a testament to Angola's diverse ecosystems. And everywhere you look, you'll find evidence of Angola's rich history and vibrant culture. From ancient ruins to bustling markets, the past and present coexist in harmony. The cultural tapestry of Angola is woven with traditions that have been passed down through generations. Traditional dances, local cuisine, and intricate art and crafts tell the story of a people deeply connected to their heritage. Angola is also a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. Its national parks are home to a variety of species, and conservation efforts are in place to protect these natural treasures. The coastal towns and fishing villages offer a glimpse into the daily lives of Angolans. Here, you can experience the warmth and hospitality of the local people. As the day comes to an end, the sunsets in Angola are nothing short of spectacular, and when night falls, the clear skies provide a perfect canvas for stargazing. For the adventurous, Angola offers a plethora of activities. From hiking trails that lead to breathtaking vistas, to water sports that get your adrenaline pumping, there's something for everyone. Whether you prefer the comfort of luxury resorts or the charm of eco-lodges, Angola has accommodations that cater to every traveler's needs. Each stay promises an unforgettable experience. Don't forget to visit the local markets, where you can sample street food and pick up unique souvenirs. These vibrant markets are a feast for the senses. Throughout the year, Angola hosts a variety of festivals and celebrations. Music fills the air, and the joyous spirit of the people is infectious. Scenic drives and road trips are a great way to explore Angola. The open roads lead to hidden gems and breathtaking landscapes. As the sun rises and a new day begins, Angola reveals itself as a land of endless possibilities. It's a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. So why wait? Discover Angola and let its beauty and charm captivate your heart. While Angola boasts a stunning coastline, it's the interior that truly takes your breath away. Venture beyond the beaches, and you'll discover a land of dramatic contrasts. Prepare to be amazed by towering waterfalls, plunging canyons, and otherworldly rock formations. These natural wonders are a testament to the power of nature. They're also a reminder of the incredible diversity of our planet. So, are you ready to explore some of Angola's most breathtaking scenic spots? Let's begin our adventure. Our first stop takes us to the Malanja province, a region known for its breathtaking landscapes and rich cultural heritage. Here, we find Kalandula Falls, one of the largest and most magnificent waterfalls in Africa. This natural wonder is a testament to the raw power and beauty of nature. Imagine water cascading over a cliff face twice the height of Niagara Falls. The sheer drop and the volume of water create a spectacle that is both mesmerizing and humbling. The roar of the water is deafening, a constant reminder of nature's might. The spray from the falls creates a permanent rainbow, adding a touch of magic to the already stunning scene. Kalandula Falls is not just a sight to behold. It draws visitors from all over the world, each one eager to witness its grandeur and feel the mist on their faces. For the local people, Kalandula Falls holds a deeper significance. It's a sacred place, woven into the fabric of their cultural and spiritual lives. They gather here for rituals and ceremonies, honoring the spirit of the falls. Legend has it that a powerful spirit resides in the falls, protecting the surrounding land and its people. This spirit is revered and respected, a guardian of the natural world. As you stand before this natural wonder, you can't help but feel a sense of awe and respect. The sheer scale and beauty of Kalandula Falls leave an indelible mark on all who visit. The area surrounding the falls is teeming with life. The lush vegetation and diverse wildlife create a vibrant ecosystem that thrives in the misty environment. Local guides offer educational tours, sharing the history and significance of Kalandula Falls. They provide insights into the geological formations, the flora and fauna, and the cultural stories that make this place so special. As the sun sets, Kalandula Falls takes on a different kind of beauty. The golden light bathes the falls, creating a serene and almost otherworldly atmosphere. At night, under the moonlight, the falls continue to captivate. The sound of the water and the sight of the moonlit spray create a tranquil and mesmerizing experience. Some visitors choose to camp nearby, allowing them to fully immerse themselves in the natural beauty and tranquility of Kalandula Falls. The experience of falling asleep to the sound of the roaring water is unforgettable. In the early morning, the falls are shrouded in mist, creating a mystical and serene scene. The sunrise over Kalandula Falls is a sight to behold, marking the beginning of another day in this natural paradise. Kalandula Falls is more than just a waterfall. It's a place of natural beauty, cultural significance, and spiritual reverence. A visit here is not just a journey to a destination, but an experience that touches the soul. Next, we journey to the Serra da Leva, a mountain range in southwestern Angola. Here, a dizzying road winds its way through the mountains, offering breathtaking views at every turn. The road itself is an engineering marvel, with hairpin bends and steep drops. But it's the scenery that steals the show. As you ascend the Serra da Leva, you'll be treated to panoramic views of the surrounding plains. Look out for ancient baobab trees dotting the landscape. These giants have stood for centuries, silent witnesses to the passage of time. Section 5, Tundavala Fissure, an abyss of wonder. Our journey takes us south to the Huila province, home to the Tundavala Fissure. Imagine standing on the edge of a sheer cliff face, gazing down into a chasm that seems to stretch on forever. That's Tundavala. The fissure was formed millions of years ago by the movement of the Earth's tectonic plates. Today, it's a haven for wildlife, with eagles soaring overhead and baboons scampering among the rocks. The views from the edge are simply breathtaking, offering a glimpse into the raw power of nature. Section 6, the desolation of the Namib Desert. Prepare yourself for a complete change of scenery as we venture into the Namib Desert. This is a place where the vastness of the landscape can make you feel both insignificant and awestruck at the same time. This ancient desert stretches for over 1,200 miles along the coast of southern Africa. It is one of the oldest deserts in the world, estimated to be around 55 million years old. It's a land of extremes, with scorching temperatures during the day and freezing conditions at night. The temperature can soar above 100 degrees Fahrenheit during the day and plummet to below freezing at night, creating a challenging environment for any form of life. But despite its harsh conditions, the Namib Desert is a place of extraordinary beauty. The sunrise over the desert paints the sky in hues of pink and orange, casting a magical glow over the sand dunes. The flora here has adapted in remarkable ways to survive the arid conditions. The towering sand dunes, sculpted by the wind into ever-changing shapes, are a sight to behold. Some of these dunes can reach heights of over 1,000 feet, making them some of the tallest in the world. The wind constantly reshapes them, creating a dynamic and ever-changing landscape, and the silence of the desert is unlike anything you've ever experienced. The stillness is profound, offering a sense of peace and solitude that is hard to find elsewhere. It's a place where you can truly disconnect from the hustle and bustle of modern life and reconnect with nature in its most raw and unfiltered form. Despite the harsh conditions, life finds a way to thrive here. The Namib Desert is home to a variety of unique wildlife, including the Namib desert beetle, which has adapted to collect water from the morning fog, and the resilient desert lizards that have evolved to withstand the extreme temperatures. The desert is also rich in history, with ancient rock formations and petroglyphs that tell the story of the people who once inhabited this land. These ancient artworks provide a glimpse into the lives of the early inhabitants and their relationship with this harsh yet beautiful environment. One of the most striking features of the Namib Desert is where it meets the Atlantic Ocean. The contrast between the endless sand dunes and the vast expanse of the ocean is a breathtaking sight, showcasing the incredible diversity of this unique landscape. As the day comes to an end, the sunset over the Namib desert is a spectacle to behold. The sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant colors, providing a perfect end to a day spent exploring this remarkable and desolate land. The Namib desert, with its extremes and its beauty, is a testament to the resilience of nature and the enduring allure of the wild. It is a place that leaves a lasting impression on all who visit, a reminder of the power and majesty of the natural world. Section 7. Miradouro da Lua, a moonscape on Earth. Just a short drive from the capital city of Luanda, you'll find a landscape that seems to belong on another planet. Miradouro da Lua, or Moon Viewpoint, is a series of rock formations that have been eroded by the wind and rain into otherworldly shapes. The formations are a photographer's dream, with their jagged edges and unusual colors. As you wander through this surreal landscape, it's easy to imagine yourself walking on the surface of the moon. Section 8. The eerie beauty of Pedras Negras. Our final destination takes us to the Pedras Negras, or Black Rocks, in the province of Namib. These strange rock formations rise out of the desert like the ruins of an ancient city. They're a stark reminder of the power of erosion. The Pedras Negras are best visited at sunset, when the setting sun casts long shadows across the desert. As the light fades, the rocks seem to take on an even more eerie and mysterious quality. Section 9. Where will your Angolan adventure take you? So there you have it, just a taste of the breathtaking scenery that awaits you in Angola. From thundering waterfalls to desolate deserts, this country has something to offer every adventurer. But this is just the beginning. Angola is a land of endless possibilities, just waiting to be explored. Where will your Angolan adventure take you? What hidden gems will you discover? Share your thoughts, and let's continue this journey together.